Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So if you have seen my Nykaa haul video which I just uploaded 2 days ago, you know that I spoke about this. I bought this from Nykaa and this is super affordable and I really wanted to try this out. So I thought why not just make the next video on this. So I'm showing you a very basic makeup. I'm wearing my ghar ke kapde. I'm wearing a suit and I'm just going to do a very minimum makeup, but definitely going to use this so that I can show you how this works. So just wash my face. So I'm going to start with this Boro Plus Aloe Vera Gel. ये भी मैंने Nykaa से मंगाया था. So I'm going to try this out. How is this? Today is the first day. Unlike Patanjali, ये clear है. You know, Patanjali is bit green color. So definitely they add color. ये green है. Sorry, ये clear है. And it has a very good fragrance to it. This I am moisturizing my face. Now it's almost little time till the moisturize has soaked inside. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use a primer. Nykaa का तो primer बहुत ही अच्छा है. So I like to dab this in my skin rather than just doing it this way. I like to do it little this way. I mostly dab on my pore areas and yeah. As I explained, the sponge is very smooth and very soft. Okay, so Maybelline concealer. So this is enough for me. Let's see the magic. I'm gonna look at in the camera because I don't have mirror today. So yeah. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is, it's doing a fantastic job. I'm just going to dampen it a little with rose water because I think I need to wet this a bit. You can do it with water, but I don't want to use water. Did very little. Okay, now putting the excess on my hand like this. Okay, so I'll try it again. Okay, yes, little damp sponge is working very nicely. Yes, I think this looks beautiful. I'm okay with my pimples as I said before, but I'm going to use little concealer on my this eye. Let's try to cover this up. Okay, so let's try to cover this up. You can layer it up. Okay. Yes, so the sponge is working very nicely. I think it's worth to buy and give it a try. So this has done a fantastic job for me as a minimum makeup. This has really done amazing job. I'm not using any foundation. I'm using my Lakme CC cream, which I love. Okay, and I'm using very little, and I am adding up with it my Maybelline's Master Strobing Cream and very little again. Yeah, let's mix this. One thing with sponge होता है वो आपका मेकअप थोड़ा सा खा जाता है, but it's okay. See, did you see how it applies it to your skin? How it picks up and puts on your skin in a very, very good way. Oh God, I just love. I'm so glad I bought this. I have my own way. I'm learning my own way to use it. You also can learn your own way to use it. There are people who do such amazing makeup without brushes. It's something that you like to do. It's not what you learn. Definitely you see other videos, you get inspired, but you know what suits you the best, and I think you should stick to that. Yeah, so lockdown hai, no eyebrows, okay? So I think the base has come out beautiful. I really love how it has turned out too. Now one more thing that I'm going to do with the sponge is use my blush. So हम ये part use करेंगे, this part. So this is my beautiful. It's not showing on the camera much, but it's beautiful, guys. आजकल नाक पे बहुत कर रहे हैं हाँ लोग. यू ऑल्सो डू. मस्त लगेगा. कर लो. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग गया, तो आगे से मैं उसको करेक्ट कर लेती हूँ. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो इशू. ठीक है. मैं करती हूँ तो गलत होगा बिकॉज फ़ोन के कैमरा में बहुत मेरे. गुड जॉब. दुपट्टे में पिंक कलर दिख रहा है. So I'm going to put pink color lipstick and a very minimum eye look. This beautiful color is Gumdrop Kisses. This is a beautiful pink color. Avon Kajal. I love Avon products. They're very good. So using my new Colossol mascara. So I'm not doing my eyebrows today because I am doing it a very minimum makeup and I'm really liking my eyes. Only thing I want to do is use my highlighter. This is my favorite from MAC. Actually more favorite because it was gifted to me and it was my anniversary gift. And the last thing what I want to do is put it out of it little bit, हल्का सा बस हो गया. Little bit, हल्का सा हो गया. And here it is. So my makeup is ready and this is how I look. This is my makeup with a minimum makeup and with this cute little sponge. It has done a very good job. I think it has done a best job with the blush and it's looking amazing. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही हूँ, घर पे ही हूँ. ये मेरे घर का ड्रेस है. This beautiful sponge is amazing. Just go for it.